So we saw the creative power of ChatGPT in action. Now let's take a look at the web search feature. You heard me talk a little bit about that early on in our course, but I want to dive a bit deeper into this function. Think of the web search feature as having an AI supercharged search browser. So where we traditionally would log on to Bing or Yahoo or Google and type in a search and have to look for the articles, essentially what we're doing is we're using ChatGPT to harness the power of the internet, search through all of the articles and blogs and posts that it can find, and then not only will it give us links to those articles, but it will provide us summaries and key information about them. So let's demonstrate this in action. How do we access the web search feature? Well, when you begin a prompt on ChatGPT, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and select and click on the search icon here. That'll enable the web search feature, and you'll know because it's highlighted in blue. You'll also get some suggested articles here, and that's usually based on what's trending. So right now, Apple iPhone seems to be trending, so if I click on it, ChatGPT will search the web to give me information about the Apple iPhone. You can see the tons of information about it. And what's great about it is that it actually provides me links to articles. So it's giving me recent developments in the Apple iPhone, and it's giving me links to different articles that I can then click on and access. It gives me summaries of all important features. And every time it does so, because we're searching the web, it's going to provide me with citations on where it got this information from. So you can see here, it really helps speedline and make the process of searching the web that much more efficient. And because you're using it in collaboration with AI, you're going to get up-to-date information, you're going to get more accurate results, and also you're getting tailored responses to what you're liking. Right? If you think about training data, at this point, I've been using ChatGPT for a couple weeks. It understands a lot more about me. It's going to start providing me some information based on what it thinks I might want, or based on what I told it I might want. So let's try this again. I'm going to go search the web, and I want to search the web for updates to existing generative AI tools. I primarily want to focus on Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. So I'm just asking it to search the web to give me some updates regarding some key AI tools that we're familiar with: Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. And so here's what it's going to do. It's going to give me a pretty much little newsletter on some of the latest updates on these tools. So we can see that Google Gemini has experienced a leadership change, and it released a new model. It introduced Gemini 2.5, which is its latest and greatest advanced AI reasoning model. You can see that OpenAI's ChatGPT has had some image generation feature changes. You've seen that a little bit when we created some images in the last video, and Claude. And then once again, not only is it providing us citations, but it's also giving us some links where we can continue our learning and learn more about the recent developments in AI tools. So I highly recommend, if you're someone that likes to search the web quite frequently, harness the power of ChatGPT, harness the power of these large language models and generative AI to help supercharge your web searching experience.